Welcome to Trends for Her. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to draw shapes and fill, and also import a fabric and fill it into any of the shapes you have created. So now you want to let's go over to drawing of what shapes. First, we'll make sure that our pen is the exact pen we want to use. By clicking this small circle below, we'll check, okay, we have my felt pen, which is okay, but the color is white because I think the last brush we used was transparent color. So no. Yes, I think when we clicked on the what's it called, color picker, it picked the white color on the screen. That's why you have white here. So to change the color, you click on it, you go black, you change the black, then you close. Now we have this. Now the next thing we want to do, we want to draw some shapes. You click on this pair of divider and ruler up. You have so many directions there. So now to draw some shapes, you click on what? Draw styles. You click on it. You have this straight pen, this straight pen, like it's a slash. You have the circle, you have this that looks like a square. So let's start with the first, which is this, the line. You want to make straight lines. Now I want to draw a triangle. You place your hand on your screen, you draw. It helps you to have a straight line. Now you can zoom in and out. Okay, that now I made some mistakes there. This arrow, okay, let me close. You click on this circle below. You see this arrow on your left, this big arrow on your left is the undo button. I'll click it and you notice that it's taking out everything that I did. Now I want to start afresh. I want to draw a triangle. Have my straight lines. I connect from here. I want to draw my triangle. I do no. When you are drawing this and connecting each lines, you make sure that all the lines meet, so there's no opening, because if there's an opening, I'll show you what happens. That's a triangle. When I'm done drawing, I would change my pen to an eraser and clean off all these excess lines beside. So now I want to draw a circle. I click on this circle up here, which is oval. I draw my circle. I want to draw the square. I click on the square, I hold press, I draw my my square. Okay, I want to you can also use this straight line to draw your square if you wish, but this other button is faster. Now I'm going to draw another triangle below, then I'll leave a space so that by the time I'm filling, you see what happens when you leave any space when you are drawing. So let me draw a very small triangle. I have to change to this word line. I draw this, I draw this. You can see the little space above. I could just still leave another one. I leave this space. We'll see what is going to happen. So the next thing we want to do now is to fill in colors into these shapes we have already drawn. So what we need to do is you close this toolbar here by clicking this X sign. Now I want to fill with colors. I go to my pair of divider and ruler. I click on it. You see this bucket shape which says fill. I click on fill. Now when I click on it, I have activated the fill bucket. I've activated the fill option. Now depending on the color I want to use, you see this circle that has all these colors. I click on the circle, it brings out different colors depending on what I want to use. Okay, I can decide to choose my colors by moving down the circles to the different colors. Let's say I want to use blue. I place it on blue. You can see the color here changes. I close. Since my fill button is still activated, on any shape I want to what's it called, I want to color blue, I'll just click on the shape. You can see I clicked on the circle and the circle has the blue what color. I can decide to go back and pick another color. Let's say I don't want to use blue, let me use this green. I close, I click on that. I want to use a different color for the rectangle. This is not even a square, it's a rectangle. I go back, click on another color. Let's use red. I click on that. Now I have filled the shapes with what colors. Now I want to fill this one that has space. This is what will happen. Now you can check what color you have, what color you are working on by clicking this circle below. You see that it's still red. If you want to make that red, you can leave it, and just since your fill option is still activated, that's why you have these black toolbars here, is because your fill option is still activated. So what you do is, now if I click on the shape, you will see what happened. You can see it looks like the whole screen there was a splash. That is because we have space in this shape that we have what created. I don't know if you understand. So to undo this, you click on this small circle below, you click on the triangle, it undoes it, it goes back to the previous page. So what you can do now is to correct this shape that you have done. You can use, okay, you don't use the undo button now because your fill menu option is still activated. If you click on undo, all these colors will go off because you have passed the point where you were drawing. So what you can do is to close, and you close the fill button, you activate your eraser. You understand? You can increase the size. 40.5 is quite okay. I erase. Now to draw that triangle again, I come to my pair of divider and ruler up. I click on draw styles, maintain the line. Now you make sure when you are drawing there is no what space. Now I start drawing. There's a problem, it didn't work because my eraser is what is activated, so I have to change it to my felt pen. Instead of clicking it, I'm going to start looking for felt pen in that option. I can click on this pencil and arrow to take me to my last brush. I click on it, it takes me to my last brush, but I think there was a mistake. Maybe I clicked on the wrong brush, so I still have to go back and click on my felt pen. Now I have to change this color to black because it's black I've been using. I click on the color, I go to black, click on black, then it's on black. Now I can draw my triangle and make sure I draw it without any space at all. So that is that. So now my fill button, I need to go and activate my fill button to fill it with a color. I click on my fill, I go for any color I wish. Let me use this orange, which is okay. I click on it, it fills. Do you understand? Okay, so the next thing, I want to draw a shape and import an Ankara to the shape. I close my fill button, I go to my pair of divider and ruler, I go to draw styles. I want it to be in this rectangle. Let me just draw a small rectangle down here. That color I need to undo and change my color to black. Now I draw the rectangle and I want to import image. So let me not make this video so long. Let me stop here, and the next video I'll show you how to import image. Okay, before I do that, let's assume you are working on this page and you have to leave to come back later, so that all this doesn't go away. You can click on this rectangle that has 3 strokes and 3 dashes and 2 dots up here. You click on it. You have new sketch, you have gallery, you have share, you have preference. You click on gallery. You have to save. You want to save what? Current sketch. You click on save so that it is what? Saved. Then you can go over and do whatever you want to do. When you come back, you continue from where you stopped. So this is it. In my next video, I'll show you how to import image or Ankara and to clean out the excess lines from your drawing. Thank you.